guy stole my 240.
One of the other bases on fire.
Motherfucker shorted me $15. Alright boys, we're selling the 240 today. Got it loaded up on a trailer. Just sitting nice. Looks drunk. But we're at the guy's storage lot kind of thing. He's got a pretty cool shop setup going. But 240 will be gone in about T-minus 30 minutes.
Dude, turn the heat back on. AC back on.
No, dude, we gotta film. Look at Andrew, dude, filming the car. 240 on a trailer, bro. She looks pretty bad, like a real drift car. Old Betsy. This guy stole my 240. Absolutely juked it from me. Thief in the night, though. Look how drunk it looks. The eyes are just toast.
Yeah, it's looking a little sleepy, that's for sure.
We're heading to this guy's shop, gonna unload it, and then potentially go and look at another car today. I don't know yet, but this guy's got a pretty cool shop setup. He's got a pretty hard M3, so pretty sick. Anybody want it? Honestly, not even that sad about it. Not attached to this car whatsoever. No emotional ties. Nothing. No sentimental value. None. C3 kit car. Hell yeah. I'm about to Fred Flintstone this bitch. Third, baby. It's like... Chow mod.
Oh god, dude. Do my
C3 kit car. I still don't care though. Still don't care at all. Good boy. Unclick it. No, push it. Push the button. There you go. There you go. Oh.
Japanese light. Look at this. That's for like 20 seconds, dude. It's dripping wet. I went from completely dry to chilling. That's why you can't leave babies in cars, dude.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
I want to walk out.
Can you imagine being in like one of the other bays and you hear that thing start? What the hell is that? The whole building is shaking. Just call the landlord. One of the other bases on fire.
Bottom part. Or bring it here in this carpet.
Huh?
Just set it down. Good. Grab the bottom all the way down.
Yeah.
Got it. Where you want it? Final straw, man. The UPS store. See if it goes through.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Nice to meet you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Take care.
Appreciate you.
No emotional attachment. Not even gonna think about it anymore.
Oh, buddy.
Not at all, dude. Not gonna think about it.
How long until you're back inside that garage looking at it?
Nope. Not happening. Never. I don't even remember what I just did. What did I sell?
What's in your hand?
4 bands, baby. Who's calling? Oh yeah, what's up, Donald Trump? Yeah, sure, man. I'll come play golf with you later. Cool. Thanks. Just going to the deli, you know. That's where like top G's eat delis.
How much money did you say you got?
16,000 in
It's
trading.
multiplying by the second, dude.
Yeah, I already invested it in crypto, and I just pulled it out. Instant withdrawal cash. It's a new Robinhood update. It's insane, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Instantly ships it to you. Drones come in, drop you the cash. We're at McAllister's Deli. We're going to eat. No way, it's 50s and 100s. Good. probably definitely should have counted this. This guy's a scammer.
Yeah. Go.
Why don't you just get whatever you want?
I want a salad.
Are you sure?
That's what I want.
Oh, that's weird, dude.
I want a sandwich.
You go grab it?
Yeah.
That's insane. Are you filming right now? It's out of my kindness in my heart. The camera is rolling, but I'd do it off camera too. I mean, I would just do whatever I want, you know?
How much money? How much money is it?
37,000. No, thank you. Beautiful place we live in.
Why the cashew?
Beautiful world.
Why is the cashew so like organized? This is beautiful. Oh. Thank you.
2, 4, 6, 8. Motherfucker shorted me $15.
We just bought food.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Joke's on this guy, I'm going back and getting it later. Free, dude.
Top G.
Top G never sells his cars. Alright boys, forgot to plug the mic in, so all the audio might be bad, but new shirts came in. All the blanks for the shirts. So we're gonna open these up. We haven't tried this quality yet. I probably just cut one in half. It's pretty cool. But we saw this quality on some other shirts, and these are what the new designs are gonna be printed on. So the new shirts are coming very soon, and they're feeling pretty good. They actually feel super nice.
It actually does.
Not bad. Definitely heavy enough. Way better. It's the XL for my big homies, or big gentle ladies. All 3% of the female subscribers. But yeah, new shirts are coming soon, guys. So keep a lookout for that. Website's linked in our bio on Instagram and down below. So, a couple weeks, new shirts. Ooh, your favorite. The Jaguar.
The banks.
I told you, we like watching TV. The weirdest thing.
But the Jaguar spotted prey.
You're missing it. Hey! You're missing it. I think he thinks it's going on outside.
He's really confused.
Look.
He thinks that's a window.
I'm at PetSmart, man. We're really vlogging today, dude. Really starting the vlog channel. We got a dog, St. Bernard. Puppy. Dude, that dog needs to play with Maverick. That's more his speed.
Yeah, I know.
Maverick's not allowed in PetSmart. He's banned for life because he pees on everything. Banned.
He's a fighter.
They have his picture on the front door, actually.
Yeah. That's Maverick.
I gotta go buy food for this thing, so. Too bad they don't have cowboy hats. Dude, get Maverick this. Dingus? Yes, dude. This will last like 4 days.
I think I'm kidding, dude.
My dog only eats the finest. These get the 4th one free? Christ. That's a lot of freaking dog toys. I just spent all my money at PetSmart. I spent like 17 grand. Now I have like $16 left. So 240 is gone. This is where she used to sit for years. Not even sad about it though, not at all. We gotta fill the spot though. So we're about to go check out another car right now actually. Same day purchase, perhaps, I don't know. We're just gonna check it out I think. But this spot's not gonna be empty for long, to say the least.
I know he keeps saying he's not gonna miss the car, but knowing Lane, I think he might have gotten a little bit emotionally attached to this one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think we're about to go look at a new car or something. I think you might have mentioned it. What are you doing?
Huh?
What was that?
The tree limb.
What was that?
That was a tree limb.
Wait, I thought you didn't miss this car, dude.
This isn't mine. But it needs to go inside though.
Why?
It's not mine.
Why does it need to go inside?
Because I don't want it to be out here anymore. It's not mine.
Wait, I thought you didn't like the car, dude.
Don't film this.
What is it doing?
Don't no. Get out of here, dude.
Dude, I thought you didn't want it
It's
anymore.
not mine. That's for someone else.
Someone else's SR20?
Yep. It's not mine. And sit. I feed this dog just enough to grow, not enough to get any more intelligent.
Так, дайте пацанам посчитать потерь. Суммы нули, погибает на сцене.